Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Sorry about the light. It is bright today outside, but today I'm at Walmart. As I film this, I'm actually behind, I think maybe 2 weeks on posting grocery hauls. I was just out of town for work for a whole week, Monday through Saturday. And I took my laptop with me, but I just didn't get anything posted while I was there. I don't know that the Wi-Fi at the hotel would have really even allowed me to post videos anyway, or post them in a timely manner. But anyway, so I'm going to try to get those up this week. But since I've been gone all week, we do need a few grocery items. And this week is also going to be super busy, so I can talk more about that when I show you the meal plan. But I'm going to go ahead and run in, and when I get home, I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I'm back from the store. I spent around $130, which, excuse me, is kind of low for me. I was trying to really challenge myself to use a lot of the stuff up that we had in the freezer. So let me show you what I got, and then I'll show you the meal plan. They had cuties on sale for $2.50, and the kids really like these to take in their lunches, so I got some of those. I got some of the sweet, what are they called? Oh, the petite baby carrots. Those will be for snacks. I also got some bananas. We have some over on the counter that are really, really ripe, so I'll probably make some banana muffins today, and we'll use these for eating later in the week. I grabbed some regular tomatoes just to have on hand for sandwiches. Some raspberries, one package of romaine lettuce. I will cut this up and wash it, and we'll have it in the fridge for salads this week. I got one zucchini for soup that I'm going to make tonight, and one bunch of cilantro for some homemade dressing that I'm going to make, and then some broccoli for a side for dinner one night this week as well. I got some grapes, so I'll wash those up for the kids to have for breakfast and snacks. I also got one red bell pepper for the soup, and then I'll probably just use half of it for the soup and the other half I'll cut up for snacking. I got one package of celery that will be for the soup also, and then some cherry tomatoes for salads. This has been an Ibotta rebate for several weeks, and I thought I would get this to go with the broccoli because Connor really likes broccoli with cheese, so that'll be what that is for. And then I got some Parmigiano Reggiano for the pasta e fagioli I'm making tonight for dinner. I got 1 dozen eggs, and then one of these ultimate scramble breakfast bowls. You just crack an egg in here and cook it in the microwave. Adam likes to have these for breakfast. And then sometimes I crave oatmeal. Mostly I try to eat low carb, but sometimes I have a craving for oatmeal. I don't know, it's weird. So I just got one of these honey and almonds Quaker oats. These are just really convenient because I can just heat it up. There's no one really else here that likes oatmeal, so I got that. I also got some of these snack sharp cheddar cheese bars for the kids and for us. And then I got one can of whipped cream. Sometimes I just keep that on hand for the kids to have ice cream sundaes if they want it. And then I got some orange juice and some chocolate milk. I also got some half and half for coffee. I got one can of SpaghettiOs for the kids just to keep in the pantry, and then one can of chicken noodle soup just in case we needed it this week for a quick dinner. I haven't had this in a while, but I remember it being pretty good. It's the chicken and cheese enchilada flavor Progresso soup, so I can take this to work one day this week for lunch. And then I got some sour cream. We were running low on that. Also for the soup that I'm going to make, I got some petite diced tomatoes and some tomato sauce. We were also out of jalapeno slices, so I grabbed some of those. And then the dressing I'm going to make is, I think it's a cilantro. I don't know. I'll pull out the recipe and show it to you, but it calls for salsa verde, so I grabbed some of that. I grabbed some Parmesan cheese to keep in the pantry, and then the kids have been really liking Nutella, so I have been buying the regular jars of Nutella that they can put on waffles and stuff, but I thought this would be fun for them to take in their lunch, either with like some fruit or some pretzels or something. I grabbed some broth for the soup, some Triscuits. It's kind of funny, Adam really doesn't like Triscuits, but he will eat the flavored ones. So he said he liked the cracked pepper and olive oil, so I grabbed some of those. And then I also got some white rice just to keep in the pantry. I really like the boil in the bag kind. This is an Ibotta rebate, but I would buy it anyway just because it's super convenient to make. And then for our soup, I also got some ditalini. I was running low on that. 2 cans of beans for the soup, 1 white cannellini beans and 1 of the dark red kidney beans. And I also got a 4-pack of yogurt. This is not really healthy yogurt. This is just for the kids to take in their lunch for a treat this week. I grabbed some hummus. I'll have this with carrots and cucumbers. This is the roasted pine nut kind. And then for lunch meat, I just grabbed 2 packages of turkey and ham. Some English muffins for breakfast. And then we really like this white cheddar seasoning for popcorn. We just pop regular microwave popcorn and put it in a big bowl and toss some of this with it, and it's really good. The brand is Colonel Seasons, so we were running low on that, so I grabbed a replacement. I got some Diet Pepsi. We were all out of caffeinated soda. I know that diet soda is not good for you. Yes, I know that, but anyway, we don't drink a lot of it. We just like to have probably about 1 can a day. So I got some shaving cream because I was running low on that. And then we couldn't find our super glue and Adam needed some, so I just picked up one of these crazy glues. This was kind of funny. Actually, I had to show an ID for this. Apparently you have to be above 18 to buy super glue, which I thought was funny. I got just 1 package of pens, and then we're going to carve pumpkins next weekend. And we actually moved last year, like right around Thanksgiving, and so all of my Halloween stuff is packed up. I think I know where it is in the basement, but just in case I can't find it, I wanted to grab one of these. This is the kind that has all of the tools, and then it has a book with patterns in it too. So we've used those before and they work pretty well. And then the last thing I got, Connor asked for some Nerf darts. He's been playing with his Nerf guns and he has lost a lot of the darts, so I just picked him up a replacement package of those. So yeah, that is everything I got this week. Let me show you the meal plan. Okay, so tonight for dinner I'm gonna make that pasta e fagioli soup. I have the recipe here printed out. I've made it once before. It's really good. This is from cookingclassy.com. Oh my god, sorry about that. This is from Murphy. This is from cookingclassy.com, so I'll link that down below. And then I have some garlic bread we need to use up in the freezer, and I'll probably just make a salad. On Monday, you can see this week, I always write in like what activities we have going on, and we basically have something every night. Like we have soccer and swim and dance and soccer, so I don't really know how this week is going to go, but I'm just going to try to stick to it the best I can. I have some orange chicken in the freezer that I got from Costco last time I was there, so I'll probably make that tomorrow with rice and green beans. Adam is not a huge fan of that, so he might just have leftovers, or I can fix something else for us too. On Tuesday, I just have down to make sandwiches and soup with fruit and chips. On Wednesday, I actually have a rotisserie chicken in the freezer that I shredded up, and Adam made some homemade barbecue sauce a few weeks ago. So I'm just going to pull that out of the freezer and mix it with the barbecue sauce, and then I have buns if people want them. I'll probably just eat mine with a salad and then that broccoli that I talked about on the side. On Thursday, I'm just planning on doing leftovers, or we might have to go out to eat. I don't know what's going to go on with all these activities. And then Friday, Connor has a soccer game from 6 to 6:45. We usually go out to eat after that. And then Saturday, I don't plan that far ahead. So yeah, I'm sorry I don't have a super innovative meal plan this week, but like I said, I just got back from being out of town for a week for work, and we are going to be busy with everything that's going on during the evenings this week. So hopefully I will stick to it the best I can. If you're new to my channel, I post a grocery haul and meal plan every Friday, or I attempt to anyway. I'm a full-time working mom, so sometimes that gets in the way, but I try to do the best I can. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.